Hi guys, कैसे हो? Hope you are all feeling well. Well, today I am gonna discuss something. I have brought something for you, and we will discuss about types of government. So before I begin, I would love to take the name of God, the most benevolent and merciful, as well as I would love to wish you good and energetic morning. So guys, let us learn together about the types of government. Okay, as you can see on register here, types of government. Okay, the government by civil servant, the very first, the government by civil servants, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, दफ्तरशाही, नौकरशाही, ब्यूरोक्रेसी। यानी अगर गवर्नमेंट जो है अधिकारियों द्वारा चलाई जा रही है, मीन्स गवर्नमेंट्स आर बीइंग रन बाय ऑफिसर्स, देन दिस विल बी कॉल्ड civil servant or the government by civil servant, bureaucracy. We often hear the word that is a suffix crazy, bureaucracy, democracy, all these words we often hear. So we will discuss all these things today, okay, in this lecture. So bureaucracy उसको कहते हैं नौकरशाही, दफ्तरशाही, कर्मचारी शासन, अधिकारी वर्ग। जब गवर्नमेंट अधिकारी लोग चलाएं, दे आर डोमिनेंट, मिनिस्टर्स एंड आर पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स आर ओनली फॉर नेम, सिर्फ नाम क्यों। तो इस गवर्नमेंट को हम क्या कहते हैं, दफ्तरशाही या नौकरशाही कहते हैं। आई हैव यूज्ड एन एग्जांपल, आई थिंक सिविल सर्वेंट्स रन द गवर्नमेंट, politicians are not as capable, educated as officers, and this is true that these are officers, civil servants who are running the government, who are systematically managing each and everything, and this is how a state, a district runs. Otherwise politics or politicians are not so capable. Okay, so this is how you can use the word. Hope you have got this word. Now see the next word, autocracy या autarchy. Autocracy or autarchy, what does it mean? The government by an absolute ruler, tanashahi, when there is no listener and one person is running the government like a king, and he is doing whatever he wants. He is uh, disturbing the masses, he is just ordering, and his order, his dictatorship is the final and the last one. Nobody is gonna make him लिसन टू हिम। ओके, यानी वो किसी की सुनता नहीं है और पूरी तरीके से वो तानाशाही जैसी जो है गवर्नमेंट करता है। इसको कहता है ऑटोक्रेसी। ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ, क्रेसी मीन्स गवर्नमेंट। ओके, एंड द सेकेंड वर्ड इज ऑटोर्ची। नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड एन एग्जांपल, इफ देयर इज ऑटोक्रेसी पीपल कैन नॉट रेज दियर वॉइस। दिस इज़ ट्रू दैट इफ देयर इज ऑटोक्रेसी, अगर तानाशाही रहेगी तो हम अपनी आवाज़ उठाने से रहे, वी कांट रेज आवर वॉइस, because if we raise our voice it will not be listened to. Why? Because there is government like situation, kingdom like situation. So this is what we call autarchy or autocracy. Hope you have got this word. Now see the next word, um, ethnocracy. Ethnocracy, okay, what does it mean? The government by an ethnic group or race, यानी कोई जाति है, कोई रेस है, कोई ग्रुप है, वही गवर्नमेंट चला रहा है। यानी कई सालों से, कई सदियों से, कई डिकेड से एक ही घर के लोग, एक ही नस्ल के लोग अगर गवर्नमेंट चलाएं तो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एथनोक्रेसी। ओके, मीन्स लाइक यू विल सी दैट इन किंगडम, and this is the system that one kings if die the another kings takes place, means his son or daughter. Okay, this is how kingdom runs. Okay, succeeded, if a king died so he succeeded by his daughter or by his son. Okay, in the same way in government, if a family is running government and if someone of them die, okay, and another person takes place, he is also from the same family, so this type of government is known as ethnocracy. एक ही नस्ल या जाति के लोग यदि सरकार चलाएं तो दिस इज कॉल्ड इथनोक्रेसी। ओके, नाउ सी इन द एग्जांपल, देयर शुड नॉट बी निपोटिज्म। व्हाट डज इट मीन निपोटिज्म? निपोटिज्म मीन्स familiarism, or you can say when the priority is given to family only and public is not listened to. जब जनता को ना सुना जाए और जो प्रियोरिटी दी जाती है वो गवर्नमेंट किसको देती है? अपने फैमिली वाले को पहले देती है, जिसको कहते हैं भाई भतीजावाद, निपोटिज्म। सो निपोटिज्म शुड नॉट टेक प्लेस इन एनी गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज दिस इज़ पार्शियलिटी एंड दिस शुड नॉट हैपन। तो इसी को कहते हैं इथनोक्रेसी। लेट एवरीवन बी treated equally, but if the government इज़ इथनोक्रेटिक नेपोटिज्म विल आकर, कि हर किसी को जो है समान अधिकार दिए जाना चाहिए, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी पार्शियलिटी। और इथनोक्रेटिक या नेपोटिज्म अगर रहेगा तो फिर जाहिर सी बात है पीपल विल नॉट बी एबल टू रेज दियर वॉइसेस। ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैन यूज़ द वर्ड इथनोक्रेसी। होप यू हैव गॉट दिस वर्ड। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, द गवर्नमेंट बाय नन, यानी गवर्नमेंट रहे ही ना। एनार्की, इसको कहते हैं एनार्की, यानी अराजकता, अव्यवस्था। लॉलेसनेस, द स्टेट ऑफ लॉलेसनेस, यानी जब पूरी तरीके से जो है गवर्नमेंट फेल हो जाए। देर इज़ टोटल फेलियर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट इज़ अनेबल टू कंट्रोल द hooliganism and tyranny and hooliganism यानी गुंडागर्दी are on peak and government is unable to maintain the law order situation. So the failure of the government will be known as anarchy यानी अराजकता, अव्यवस्था, a state of lawlessness and disorder usually resulting from a failure of government. जो गवर्नमेंट फेल हो जाए, उसका कानून ना चले, कानून जो कोई और अपने हाथों में लेकर के उसको मिसयूज़ करे, उसको एक्सप्लॉयट करे, तो दिस स्टेट इज़ नोन एज एनार्की. नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड एन एग्जांपल, इफ़ देर इज़ एनार्की इन एनी स्टेट, द मर्डरिंग, looting, raping cases will soar up, and this is true. Then when there is no government, people will not fear. When the law is not strong and the people running the government is not strict, then the criminals and dacoits will be very dominant. They will be running with full courage and looting the people, torturing the masses, because they know that the law and order is out of control. So if this situation takes place in any government, this is the total failure of government. Okay, and this state is known as anarchy. Hope you have got this word. Okay, see the next word, theocracy. Theocracy, what does it mean? The government by priest or by religious law, यानी जब गवर्नमेंट चलाई जाए किस साधु संत द्वारा, या फिर कह सकते हो कि धार्मिक जैसे लोगों द्वारा चलाई जाए, तो उसको हम धर्मतंत्र कहते हैं. ओके, like I have used an example, theocratic government should not be formed. It is not the beauty of democracy, and this is true that अगर यदि थियोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट का गठन होता है या फिर इसको जो है वो गवर्नमेंट बनती है, तो जाहिर सी बात है ये डेमोक्रेसी की ब्यूटी नहीं है. यानी फिर तो पूरी तरीके से जो है रिलीजन का राज होगा एंड साइंस विल टेक बैक सीट, technology will take back seat, and people of different caste will not be able to raise their voices because it will be total partiality. So there should be democracy, there should not be such type of government of theocracy, यानी थियोक्रेसी की जैसी गवर्नमेंट ना हो, वरना ये जो है पूरी तरीके से फेल रहेगी और साइंस वगैरह जो है पूरी तरीके से फेल रहेगी या टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप नहीं होगी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो बैठे मौलवी मुल्ला या फिर पंडित या फिर जो है प्रीस्ट वगैरह गवर्नमेंट चलाएंगे, तो दे विल बी टोटली फेल्ड इन दियर रनिंग गवर्नमेंट. वाई? बिकॉज दे विल ओनली रन द गवर्नमेंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजियस नॉलेज, तो दैट विल leave an negative impact on the masses. Okay, so this type of government should not be formed. Okay, so hope you have got this word. Now see the next word, democracy. The government by the people, of the people, for the people. Okay, yani our country is the biggest, the largest democratic country. Okay, and we celebrate it and we are proud of that. दो यानी गवर्नमेंट किसके द्वारा? जनता के द्वारा बनाई गई गवर्नमेंट, जनता के लिए चुनी गई गवर्नमेंट और जनता के द्वारा ही बनाई गई गवर्नमेंट को कहते हैं डेमोक्रेसी. एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिटिशियन, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट political system where you can raise your voice, where we can raise our voice, we can make others do work because we have right, we have franchisee, the power of vote, and we can be listened to. So democracy is the best government, this is the best system of selecting or electing government. Okay, तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? लोकतंत्र, प्रजातंत्र कहते हैं. We are proud of being the citizen of the biggest, largest democratic country, that is our India, and we are proud of that. We are celebrating because we understand the power of vote, the franchisee. Okay, so we are very strong person because we are voting, and this is how we are electing our leaders. So we are democratic and this is our beauty. Now see the next word, plutocracy. क्रेसी, प्लूटोक्रेसी, व्हाट डज इट मीन? द गवर्नमेंट बाय द वेल्थी, यानी धनिक तंत्र। यानी अगर जो है धनी लोग, कुछ ऐसे लोग जो पैसे से बहुत ज़्यादा लैश हों, और दे आर वेरी रिच, and they have lots of money and they are running the government, so this type of government will be known as plutocracy. Like today you can take the example, there are some leaders, there are some businessmen like Adani, Mukesh Ambani, etc, etc, and privatization is taking place rampantly. So this is not fair. When privatization nijikra will take place, then this will create problem for the masses. Okay, so we cannot raise our voice. So what is the use of democracy? So plutocracy is not a good form of government. Okay, like I have used an example, plutocracy should not emerge. It will create problems for the economically backward people. Okay, so like you will see that in government gives each and every department to some certain people who are rich, and they are running the government, or they are running the system. So there you cannot be listened to. Okay, they will not listen. For example, if the electric department is being run by wealthy or businessman, okay, the government has sold the electric department to some businessman. Now if you have any problem, let's say electrical problem at home or something like that, so you will have to go to that department, and the company will come and disconnect your wire or will connect your wire, and your voice will not be listened to. But in government, you can go to the minister because you have voted, you have used your franchise, your finger. So there you can be listened, there can be discount, there can be solution. But in this plutocracy, you will not be listened to. So this is what we call plutocracy. Hope you have understood this. Now see the next word, diarchy. डायरकी, व्हाट डज इट मीन? द गवर्नमेंट बाय टू पीपल, केवल दो व्यक्तियों द्वारा शासन। अगर दो व्यक्ति सिर्फ शासन करें तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल डायरकी. आई थिंक डायरकी शुड नॉट टेक प्लेस. मोर पीपल, लीडर्स शुड बी इन्वॉल्व्ड, गिवन पावर. अगर दो लोग चलाते, जाहिर सी बात है वो लोग क्या करेंगे, दे विल बी प्राउड ऑफ देमसेल्व्स, एंड दे विल just run the government like kingdom. They will not listen to anyone. So more people should involve, and they should listen, and from different caste, from different religion, so that because we are living in democratic India, where people from each and every sect you can find here in our country, Muslim, Jews, Moses, Christian, Hindus, etc. So this is the beauty of our country. We are having unity within diversity. Okay, so this is the beauty of democracy. So if two people are running, so of course the democracy will be in danger. So I think diarchy should not take place. Okay, hope you have got this word. Now see the next word, matriarchy. Matriarchy, what does it mean? The government by women or mothers, यानी मात्र सत्ता, औरतों द्वारा शासन. Okay, like if any women is running government, so that is called matriarchy. Like you can say West Bengal, the CM of West Bengal is Mamta Banerjee. She is a woman and she is leading the government and she is running the state. So you can use there that there is matriarchy, or you will see, and in each and every houses there is matriarchy, because women are dominant, wives are dominant, husbands are not so dominant. So each and in every house you will see that there is matriarchy. घर में हर किसी के जो शासन किसका होता है, औरतों का होता है. They are dominant, they are just bullying the husband and frightening them, threatening them. So this is how it is running. So this is what we call matriarchy. ये घर पे भी यूज़ हो सकता है, not only in government. तो इसी को कहते हैं औरतों द्वारा मात्र शासन या मात्र सत्ता. Like you can see an example, though we live in male dominated society, still there is matriarchy in each house. यानी हम तो ऐसे सोसाइटी में रहते हैं जो पूरी तरीके से मेल डोमिनेटेड है, यानी डोमिनेंस है वहाँ पे मेल का. स्टिल in each and every house you will see that the women are dominant, they are running the government, they are running everything, and husbands are listening to them, and they are bullied, or women are bullying. Okay, so like this you can use the word matriarchy. Now see the last and the final word, Critarchy, 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 okay. What does it mean? The government by judges, judge द्वारा शासन. If critarchy is formed, I think there will be no, see, wait a bit, okay, see, the government by judges, जहाँ जज द्वारा शासन होता हो. If critarchy is formed, I think there will be no partiality, no just injustice will be there, okay. Judges will execute the government honestly. यानी अगर क्रिटारकी जैसी गवर्नमेंट हो तो वी बिलीव दैट देर विल बी नॉट एनी इनजस्टिस, कोई अन्याय नहीं होगा, बिकॉज जजेस आर यू नो very expert in providing justice. So this is how we believe that if there is somehow critarchy takes place in a state or in country, then there will be total equality and total parity, and also justice will be provided at the earliest. This is what we believe. So critarchy should take place. So guys, these were the words that we discussed together, and I hope that you must enjoy these words. So if you have any query, you can comment, and please give your feedback, as I repeatedly ask, because it matters a lot. And if you have any query, or if you want any particular video on grammar literature, you just leave your comment in comment box. We will be working on that. So guys, please subscribe as well. Thank you a lot. Take care. God bless you.